Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to show you how to fold P&O luggage tags. First of all, we just cut them down to size following the line. So I've gone down the line as straight as I've gone down B, and I'm going to go down here as well, down line A. First of all, we fold section A underneath itself, straight as we can. Now we fold over to B, so it's symmetrical. Okay, and now we fold C under D. So you can see details of the cruise. Just try and make it as straight as you can. Okay, so that's that done then. Okay, what I do now to attach it to the suitcase, I'll just push it up here, and then make sure that this goes like this, and sellotape around like so. What I have done in previous years is I've sellotape wrapped around all this to keep it waterproof. So I've sellotaped all around, so just in case it gets damaged in the water. Another option, which might be a better option, is to purchase these clear plastic luggage labels from Amazon. These are around $4.99 each. What you need to do here is just put some of the information into the luggage tag. So we cut this bit out here, and this bit, we cut that bit there. And if we fold them like that, you can still fill in your mobile number and your name, and you just bend it on each other so you can still see the number, your room number and the cruise. You just open the tag like this. Close the tag, it's very waterproof. You get one of these metal loops, push it through there, and you just screw it in place around your bag. These are far more neater, and if the security person needs to see your mobile number or your cruise reference number, they can just take the paper out of the clip to view. Here's one I've attached to my little suitcase here, and you can see it's quite a neat design. It's quite secure, it's not going anywhere, it's not going to come off, it's not going to get affected by the rain. I do highly recommend it, and again, the link is in the description. Please like or subscribe.